Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is going forward in this direction while black's pawns are going downward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, as always, as most of the time, white has a single way to win the game. If you just miss that move, black will get a draw. So we have a one pawn going in this direction, and we are down a pawn, and we have to promote this pawn into a queen. That is simply obviously the point of this puzzle. So as always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So we have to promote this pawn, and looks like black's own pawn is preventing the rook from just hitting our pawn, and that is advantage for us, right? So what else can we try in this position? Well, maybe you push your pawn b7, pushing the pawn, getting closer to the promotion. Well, that looks promising, but look, the black rook can't play to b2 and stop the pawn, but black can play to the 8th rank, and black is just defending the promotion square, and you can't do anything about it, right? You may probably defend your pawn like this, but you can't actually do much. Black is going to get and capture the pawn with the king, so that is kind of a problem, and you can't push the pawn, and that is going to be a draw. So what else can you do? Well, the only move is to play rook to f3. So what is the idea, you might ask? Well, the idea is to sacrifice the rook. Wow. So what is going on, you might say? Well, the general idea of this puzzle is to promote the pawn. Of course, if we promote the pawn, we would win the game no matter black's circumstance, right? So black has two pawns, it doesn't matter. We can capture these two pawns, we can capture the rook, and eventually win the game. So now in this position, black has to accept the sacrifice, obviously. Now we can push, and now black can't play either of these moves, right? The move that was previously possible is not possible because of the king, and now we can push, promote the pawn, and win the game like this. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.